Okay, so yeah, in this time, I will show how we can use our Python libraries and this JS SDKs, how we integrate to our keychain. So um, I will show some examples of how we can use it for our Python SDK. So right now we have built our Python libraries for integrating for our keychains. So uh, the Python library name is the keypy. So you can use these Python libraries for integrating your products. So I have already a simple examples of how we can integrate this Python library with our key blockchains. So as you can see, I will show some CLIs. So I already installed our Python SDKs. So mm, yeah, I built some simple CLIs with integrating with the Python libraries and our keychain. So as you can see, there are some several comments: the create wallet, then delegate, then get all balances, and get balance, and get stakes. Something like this command is we are using, I already created for testing our Python libraries. So let me try one by one. So first, I will use the create wallet for testing, creating wallet from our key blockchains. So you can use, it's very simple. First one, let me check the code. So this create wallet just calls our local wallet from our Python SDKs, and this will generate the create wallet for private and public keys. So um, it will returns public and private keys to the users. So you can simply test like this, and let me try on the CLI. So create a wallet, and you can give some the names for your wallet. So let me name as the Thomas. And yeah, as you can see, there are some key addresses and some pub key and private key was generated, as you can see like this. So there are some two files that generated, which are private keys and pub keys like this. So we can check if this correct wallet is working well with our Python library. So let me uh, get balances of this address then first. So we can get balances, mm, get balance like this. So there can be, we need some daemon for this. So yeah, like this. So it means we integrated with the get balance endpoint for on our Python libraries as well. So as you can see, there can be some, right now there are 0 TT balances for this wallet. So I will find some tokens to this address. Hmm, Let me check. Okay, so first for send, I need to send the private path. Oh yeah. So I needed to send private pass and receive address. This one amount. Okay, so let me check the Thomas wallet balance. This is the Thomas wallet. Yeah. So let me check again the Thomas wallet balance. So you can check this Thomas wallet balance like this. And we set the daemon as well. So yeah, as you can see, we can check this Thomas wallet has received the 10,000 TK tokens on his wallet. So yeah, we confirms this wallet created properly and can receive and send some amount from another addresses. So let me continue to checking the another CLIs. So I will let me check what CLIs are existing. We check the create wallet and we check the get all. Let me try this get all balance next. So balance and the top for the Thomas wallet I will check. Yeah, right now there are only one Denon tokens balance is existing. So this is which I just sent before sent, and this is for the daemon for these tokens. So you can check all the balances on this wallet and what is the next CLIs. So after this one, let me try to stake. So uh, let me check the current state of this Thomas wallet first. So before this, I will make simpler the CLIs. So yeah, so that we can use this key CLI as virtually. So let's get one by one. So let's continue to try the stakes. So get stakes for the Thomas wallet. Yeah, as you can see, there is no any bound tokens and unbound tokens for this Thomas wallet. So all the stake and bounding the rewards are zero. So I will stake some amount for some validators. For this, we need to checking current validator status. So let me try to get all validators infos first. So get validators. Yeah. So as you can see, there are 6 validators are existing. So I will try to send to these validators from Thomas wallet. So for this, we can use delegate CLI. So delegate, let me check the parameters. So private key path and valid address and the amount. So delegate and the key path means which is the private key located path. So keys and Thomas private. And the validator address, we decided to send to these validators as the amount. Let me send 100. Yeah, it's done. And for to checking if the transaction is finished or not, we have some additional CLIs named as the getTX. Yeah, so we can check the text hashes using this getTX command. Yeah, so as you can see, we can check the all details of the transaction hashes. So this is the hash, transaction hashes, and this is a block height, and this is the status, success or failed, and this is the gas wanted and gas used. This is timestamp, and this is a link for our Explorer. So you can check the transaction hashes using our APIs as well. So now let me check the status of the staking validators. So yeah, so let's see the get validators. Yeah, as you can see, it's increased to 100 tons. Yeah, as you can see. So it means our staking is worked properly. So now let's check the Thomas wallet again. So mm, line, let me check that again. Can I get no? Is that get stakes and this address? Yeah, as you can see, we stake some amount to these validators, so the staked amount is increased, and unbounding and the reals are still zero. So we checked our validators is worked as properly so far. And the next command is we will continue to test this redelegate and undelegate so that we can check how of our endpoint are working. So let me try to test redelegate first. So to do this, get validate to let me check again. So yeah, I will redelegate from this to this one. So as you can see, there are some this kind of amount, and I will redelegate some amount from this to this. So this we need to check redelegate that. So there are some parameters, so I guess the private key test and source and test validator address and the amount. So let's try. So redelegate, redelegate, and keys in Thomas, right key, and the source delegate is this one, and the destination delegate is this one. And the amount can be 50. Yeah, it's done. So we can check again the transaction hash, get TX, and yeah, it is the TX hash. So you can check the details of the transactions. And let me check the validator status again if the redelegation work properly. So get validate. Yeah. So before the redelegate, this is 664 and 1 186, and after 50 redelegate, yeah, it reduces 614, and this increased to, yeah, 236. This means the redelegate work properly, so you can check this redelegate is also working well. And the last one is the delegate. One is the undelegate. So this undelegate is the undelegated amount tokens from validators to the send wallet identified by key in the private path. So first one, before this, let me check current Thomas wallet. So if I get stakes of the Thomas. Yeah, as you can see, there are staked amount is 15, 15 because we at first I delegate to one validators as 100 tokens, and after that I redelegate to these to another validators at 50. So it's now it shows as the 50 at 50 as the staked amount to two validators. So but the total staked amount is 100. It's showing like this. And let me let's try to undelegate. So in time undelegate my post. Yeah, there are some parameters, validated address and amount. So uh, undelegate one by one. This can be the from address. So keys and commas wait. The validator address, which is we want the undelegate validator. So from 20 tokens. Yeah, yeah, it's done. So let me check again the get status takes of the Thomas wallet. Yes, as you can see, there are state amount reduced to 30, which means we 20 undelegated from these validators, and the total state amount also reduced as 80. And this unbounded tokens as the 20 undelegated amount. So it's showing like this, and let's continue to undelegate from this validator. So can test undelegate is and Thomas private. Yeah, from this validators as study. It's done. So we try to get stakes as Thomas wallet. Yes. So you can see it reduced to 20 staked amount for these validators, and the unbound tokens become 30 for these validators, and the total staked amount is 50. Yeah, because this remains 30 and this remains 20, so total staked amount is 50, and total unbound tokens becomes 50 as well. So we tracked staking and uh, delegate and redelegate and delegate working well. So some CLIs we checked is working well, and the remaining CLI is the same. So let me check this and is working well. For this, we need some second wallet. So I think I already showed this and is working at the first, but let me test it again. So for this, we will create wallet as the Thomas 2. So we create this second Thomas wallet. So, and let me check the balance of this Thomas 2. Yeah, now it has 0 Tiki tokens. So now I will try to send some amount from first Thomas wallet to this second Thomas wallet, which we created just before. So shall I then let me check the parameters first. This is the pass and receiver and private key pass. So we send and the private key pass comes Thomas private key and the receiver address is the second Thomas wallet and the amount is the 10 Tiki tokens. Yes, it shows this time. So first, let's try the TX first. So yeah, you can see all the transaction details are shown like this. This is the block height values and gas used, and this is the transaction hashes. So and yeah, so now we finally you can check the balance of the second Thomas wallet. Second Thomas wallet. This is the second Thomas of TK tokens balance. Yeah, right now you can see it received 10 TK tokens from Thomas wallet. So that's the same CLI is also working well. So yeah, I think we checked all CLIs is working through our Python libraries to integrate with our keychain. So as you can see, we can use our Python libraries for integrating our key blockchain on your Python applications. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to show today. Yeah, meetings. Yeah. So and I think you can use the Python libraries on your applications anytime, and you can check our source code on our GitHub repository. Yeah. Thank you so much.